Okay, hey Francis.
Hi, Mike.
So we just wanted to have a brief chat about what's coming up for us in terms of the ancestral healing work that we're doing, dates and timings and stuff like that.
Yeah, no, I'm excited about it. We've got a online retreat on the 21st of October in the afternoon,
Yeah.
where we'll be doing a taste of some of what we'll be doing at our in-person retreat at the start of December.
Yeah, now we already had an online workshop about 2 months ago, but this one we've extended it. We're making a half day retreat this time online.
Yeah, 4.5 hours rather than 3 hours, I think, or something like that.
This
Yeah.
is going to give us more time to spend on the constellation work, spend on singing. Oh, yay. And also to give us time to really share what's coming up for us in terms of, the ancestral gifts that we've received, some of the burdens that we're taking on for ourselves, and also, time to integrate the work as we've done it. So, I remember last time we did the constellation work, we finished quite quickly. Everything was quite fast. But this time we're going to be able to spend some time afterwards sharing how that was for us as a space holder, as an issue holder, as participants, people who actually took part in your constellations. I think that's going to be really
And
important.
it was wonderful. I mean, I think the 3 hours was wonderful, and I think the group had a great experience. And it's very exciting to be able to have more time at the next
More
one.
time. This is what we need. And that's why, although we're doing a half day workshop online, this is why we are pushing this weekend retreat because it's going to give us time to really put our stuff into practice. And it's not just about the constellation work and the singing work. We've got a lot of other exercises, practices, rituals that we're going to be doing within our weekend to really allow a space for our ancestral healing work to take place.
Yeah, deep and important work. And yeah, creating a space for that deeper soul level healing. Yeah.
And so we're currently on early bird pricing now until a day before the online workshop. So we've got early bird from now until the 20th of October.
Yeah, and when you book on our in-person retreat, you also get the cost of the workshop, including the cost, or the workshop can be booked on its own as a
Yeah, the
separate.
online, you're talking about the online workshop, aren't you? So if
Yeah.
you book on our December retreat, you get the online workshop. I think the normal price of the online workshop is £55. You get that included in the price of the December retreat if
Yeah.
you book on that. Yeah,
Yeah.
just I think we're just putting in deposits at the moment for that, which is really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be great.
Yeah, looking forward to holding space with you. Yeah, it felt like a deeper calling from my soul in my own healing process that to join with you and do something together. And this is what we're doing together. And yeah, it's
I
really,
mean, we've been talking about it for about 6 years. So for it to finally come to this point is really exciting for me. It feels like the right time to be doing this work.
yeah, yeah, and coming together and offering different skills and yeah, experience to support this important work.
Yeah,
Yeah.
cool.